Okay, so a little bit ago, or the other day, I was doing that video on Builderall, and I was kind of struggling with the website or the page URL, I guess we could call it. Let me go back here. And I'm going to share my screen because I haven't done that yet. So there we go. All right. So I was over in, probably hear my kids yelling in the background, but let me go in here. So I was over here in the legendary site, and I was struggling with the page URL, and it got kind of boring for you, I'm sure, but the address URL. So if the address URL on the thank you page or the bridge page, whichever you call it, isn't correct, then what happens when you come over here and you're setting up your email autoresponder, and when they click through, put their name, address, or email address, and the URL in the button here isn't correct, then when they click through, they're not going to end up over here. It's going to end up in a error message. So that's pretty important for testing out your funnel, that on your page settings, you have this exact. Now, what I didn't realize, and I was kind of changing things around, is I didn't even look at it. I had a capital T. Now, for whatever reason, I don't think I had a capital T in my autoresponder address or whatever. I don't know. But anyways, it just wasn't working. I like to keep these really, really simple. I've found out that over time, if I got this in there, or if I got this in there, or if I got this in there, for whatever reason, it needs to be simple, easy to remember, type in. Nothing, not that you're going to be doing much with this except copy and paste, but just keep it simple so that there's no confusion, nothing gets messed up. No reason to make it complicated at all for your because all that is really is just subdomain of your main domain. So you got your main website domain, and then this would be the little slash subdomain on the back end of your main domain. So the overall domain of your website, and then slash thank you would take you to a different page. So let's go over to Aweber. I want to show you, if you're doing anything in Builderall and you find that Mailing Boss gets a little complicated for you, I want to show you something here that I do with Cheetah. So sign up forms. Oh, I gotta switch my list here so that I am in the proper one. So I'm in the legendary list, and let's try number 3. I think that was the one I was kind of maybe going with now. Yeah, that one will be fine. So this one I've already kind of fixed up. with the colors and stuff that I wanted. So I will hit the wrong button there. Okay, I'm going to change this. We're going to save that form. We're going to go to step 3. I'm going to install it myself. And I think I can just use JavaScript. So Command C for copy. Come over to Cheetah here. And I'm going to go into Legendary. I'm going to go to the home page. We'll see, it might be HTML. I don't remember. It's been a little while. So I want to show you something here. This box, instead of using an email marketing form, I'm using iframe. So this whole Aweber email marketing form is inside of this iframe box. And if I come over here, I right click the box and I come over here, and it's an embedded document. So I think it can be JavaScript on an embedded document. Then I paste that in there and I apply, and now it's changed since I entered over here in the settings, the thank you page URL / on the back end of the domain. Then where am I here? Let's see where I'm at. Now I am covered up by that button. So now it's changed the button URL to the proper one, so that when somebody enters their name and email, and they click through, and if they have to, if it's a double opt-in, they confirm their subscription, and then once they've confirmed, then this page it'll move on to the thank you page. But I think, let me go look here. Confirmation message. So they shouldn't have to confirm because it's off. And if I want it on, then whatever. We'll turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, see what happens. But I think what happens sometimes if you enter an email twice, like I should probably have a new email address to test it. Because if I enter it more than once, then it'll do a confirmation message. I think is because I've had that happen before. So I might have to do a completely new email to test it. But just wanted to show you those updates. So hope you're having a great day. Hope this is helping you. If you're running into any trouble with your marketing, feel free to reach out and contact me. I will be leaving my email, and you can certainly find me on Facebook under Josh Satterley or Twin Affiliates. Hey, have a great day. We'll talk to you later.